Hello friends, today we are going to have a special session with Ms. Sweksha and I hope you will find this session very beneficial for you all. So let's start today's session. Okay Ms. Sweksha, please tell us something about yourself.
Good evening, sir. My name is Sweksha Shah. I am from Varanasi. I have completed my 12th last year, and now I am pursuing BCom honors from PHU, and with that I am pursuing CA. My hobbies are singing, dancing, and reading books, etc.
Why did you decide to become a CA?
I was inspired by my brother. When I was in class 6, I went to Chennai where my brother lives, and there I saw my brother doing hard work for his passion, and from seeing that passion, for seeing that hard work for his passion from that period of time, I inspired myself from that to become a chartered accountant.
Do you think you have all the qualities which a CA is required to have?
Yeah, but something is missing. That is the hard work. Main hard work is missing. I am doing practice on that, and I am sure I will got it.
Okay. And do you think girls should do the job or not?
Yes, girls should do the job, and it is totally depend on the mindset. That if the women are doing household chores and outdoor work, both if she can handle, then she has to do that both things. If she can't, then she has more options for doing that. She can hire the maid and do the outside. But most of these women with which pursue their outside works and household chores, they do it both by themselves and by their family support. The family support in girls' background, in girls' career is most important.
Okay. What does success mean to you?
Success means to me, my parents feels proud, and I can do better thing for my society, and I can buy anything which my parents want. That means success for me.
Okay. What does failure mean to you?
Failure means to me that if we fail, we doesn't think that we can't do that thing. We don't have to back up from that. We must learn something new from that and do much better than before. So this means failures to me.
Okay, if you could change one thing about your personality, what would it be and why?
I am introvert. So I want to become not so extrovert because that was to harm, but I want to become an ambivert because I want to talk to people, and make a good relation with them. That
Okay, are you an organized person?
yeah, I'm working on it, but I am a little bit clumsy.
Okay, what makes you happy?
When my parents are smiling, and I'm doing something better for myself, and my parents feel proud to me, and when I'm with my friends, that makes me proud. Smile.
Okay, what makes you sad?
uh, because I have completed my 12th, so uh, I never faced failure in my life. So that moment of my life when I failed once, or when I failed in future, that makes me sad.
Okay, do you handle the changes well?
Yeah, I take changes smoothly. I saw the situation, I analyze the situation, then I come to the conclusion that what should I do for that to become to be the better option for that.
Okay, can you work under pressure?
Yeah, I can work under pressure because work under pressure uh, becomes more effective and efficient for us. I
Okay,
think that's it.
okay, what personality do you like the most?
I like the personality. I like the people who are selflessly helping others, who understand others, who are career oriented.
Okay, and where do you see yourself after 5 years from now?
I see myself after 5 years as a chartered accountant, Swekshasha, CS Swekshasha.
Okay, If you get a chance to start over, then would you like to do the same CA course or would you like to do anything else?
No, I will do the same CA course because it is my goal, and it is my focus only. I don't want to do anything else.
Okay. So what things do you like in your spare time?
I like to do. The question is
You can answer.
I like to do. Sometimes I listen music, and I sing. I don't sing well, but I like to sing. And sometimes I want to be my mood fresh, keep my mood fresh. So I dance, and sometimes I sleep.
Okay. What is the importance of family in anybody's life?
Family plays a vital role in anybody's life, because uh, if a family is very autocratic, so the girl child or the boy child can't do their dream passion. They have to pursue what the family thinks. So family plays a vital role. That I take example of mine. My family is very supportive, and they never force me to do their favorite work. They are always with me. I can do anything what I can do, what I want to do. So family plays a vital role.
Okay, okay. And that's very nice. So do you like to visit new places?
Yeah, I like to visit new places, and I like traveling.
Okay. So outside of Varanasi, how many places have you visited?
I have visited Chennai, Surat, and then Noida, and Aurangabad, Muradabad, etc.
Okay. What is the role of luck in anybody's success?
Luck doesn't play a vital role. That we listen in our society that your luck was bad, your luck was good, then your no. The vital role is of vital role in anybody's success is in hard work. If the person, if a boy or a girl doesn't do hard work, then if the luck is good or bad, it doesn't matter. He or she become fail. If he had done the hard work, the luck automatically changes and it becomes good, and then the passion will be in front of.
Okay. So how do you keep yourself motivated?
I keep myself motivated by seeing future 5 years, mm, by seeing myself in future 5 years. CS Venkasha motivates me more.
Okay, okay. It means your goal motivates you.
Goal motivates you. Goal
Okay.
motivates me.
Okay, okay. And apart from your CA, anything else you have means made as a goal?
Yeah, I have thought about that, but now I am focusing on my CA and BCom, and afterwards I
You
will
will think about
think
that.
about it.
Okay. So your family, did you ask your family to do CA or you just decided that I have to do CA?
I have decided and tell my family, and they always are there to support me.
Okay. In every decision they are
In
with
every
you.
decision,
They
but
think
the
that you
decision should be correct.
correct. Okay, okay. And if you need any advice from your parents, then they give you or not?
Yes, they give me. They
Okay.
give me.
And outside of your family, then anybody else, do you like to take advice from?
My best friend Anushka,
Hmm.
and my brother. He is included in family. So in friends, I take advice from my best friend, and nothing.
What skills are you learning to improve yourself?
I am learning hard skills as well as soft skills. In hard skills, I am learning tele, and in soft skill, I am learning communication skills and interpersonal skills for communicating to the people.
Okay. And do you have any childhood dream?
Yeah, I have a childhood dream. Before six, in class one to and see, I love to teach others, and my dream was to be a teacher in after 12th or in big. So that was my childhood dream.
Okay. How do you face hard times?
I feel that particular time I feel depressed, but after some time I learned from that thing, and I made myself busy in anything else.
Okay. Okay, Miss Sweksha, it was a nice time talking to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.